Hello, my name is Doğa Tolgay and with my friend Burak Topçu, today we will show you our project, the Pinball project. In this project we have different types that we have to design. For example, the VGA unit, the borders, the ball, and the collisions. And today we will try to show how we managed to do this project. And my friend Burak Topçu will start by showing you how we designed the synchronous of unit of the VGA unit.
Hello, I am Burak. In the VGA subunit, we have two 10-bit registers and some specific intervals for the horizontal sync and vertical sync. Horizontal sync and vertical sync will be on for the some intervals that's shown in the figure, which is vertical, which is horizontal, and that is defined as in display area in our code. Horizontal sync and vertical sync inputs of the VGA works for active low. Therefore, we invert our counters with respect to that. Also, clock of the VGA works only for 25 megahertz. Therefore, we divide our 50 megahertz signal in the code.
Now I will start telling how we managed to do the objects that ball has to reflect, and we have designed our first object as a hexagon. Yeah, in this part you can see the hexagon code, and in the first part we have used engel 1 for the hexagon code, and in the first part we have designed a rectangle, and in the second, third, fourth and fourth part we have designed a triangular that we have put these triangles up and back of the rectangle in order to create a hexagon. And in the second hexagon we have designed with same way, and you can see the code in here, and we have managed to design the circles in here like x minus x0 square plus y minus y0 square is equal to r square. So you can see our center points in here and here and here, and we have designed borders by constraining the ranges of counter x and counter y, and in the same way we have designed boşluk 1 and boşluk 2 in order to represent our scoreboard and the timer, and we have designed our arms with like you can see here sol kol üst, sağ kol üst, sol kol alt and sağ kol alt, and we have managed to do them with creating two lines, and we painted the middle portion of these two lines, and we have created the arms of our pinball game, and we have created also a plunger again with same rectangle type, and we have defined a top like we have defined a circle.
After we designed the solid things on the screen, we think about the movement of the ball, which is defined as top in our code. In order to be moved the ball, we defined vertical velocity and horizontal velocity. That works for the some clock, and in order to observe continuous movement, we divide our clock by 500,000, and we get 100 hertz. In 100 hertz, our vertical and horizontal velocity changes with respect to collisions, and which is vertical and horizontal velocities added to the center of the ball, which is defined X top merkez and Y top merkez. With the help of this algorithm, we moved our ball.
After the movement of the ball, we try to define the collisions, and in order to do that, we have started with the collisions with the walls, with the border. And you can see we have three different walls. In here you can see the left wall, the right wall, and the top wall. When the ball collides with the right wall, we have inverted its velocity, and it can be seen here at this part of the code. And when ball collides with the left part of the ball, we again inverted the velocity and added to the center of the ball in order to contain a continuous movement. And when ball hits the top of the ball, we have changed the y velocity, we did not change the x velocity, and we have inverted it. And you can see when the ball collides with the right and the left ball, the y velocity did not change, and we have obtained a continuous, a good collision. And you can see our design in this picture, in this video, and you can see our hexagons, circles, balls, and the arm. Here it is. In addition to the collisions, we have also managed to move the arm of the plunger, we have moved the arm, and we have managed so far like this. And we will try to make the collisions with the obstacles, and we will try to count the scoreboard and the timer. And when we all finish this, we hope to give a good project, the clear project, and we hope to finish good.
Thank you for listening our video and project.